If you can't cooperate with us, leave us alone, please. If you don't want us to work together, leave us alone. Those who say they will not give us their money, yes, it is your money. Give it to whoever you want. Take it away and give it to whoever you want. Do we need the money? Absolutely. Because some of it we get from those who become partners one day, and another day they are something else. Yes, that money when it comes, I assure you, you will not find a place that puts that money to good use more than we do. That is all you can ask me. You are right to come and ask me, where did you put our money? I will show you. I will show you where we put your money. I will show you the roads. I will show you the hospitals. I will show you the schools. I will show you everything where we put your money. But when it is to give me your money, purportedly for a good cause, and you follow your money and put a finger, I will tell you something you don't want to hear.